whatever it's doing something X, Y, Z. But whatever we want to do in a derived class P, XYZ function is something different. So in that case, what we do, we write virtual there in class A, so that if B doesn't want to change it, the
That is
function of A will work for him. But if he want to change it, the he can change it, its reference or its definition. So this is a different set of virtual. Why we are using the virtual? If somebody want to change anything, they can change.
As per my understanding, means if we implement a virtual method in a class and we can inherit this class, so they will provide means a flexibility. We can means change the behavior of that class according to us if you want, right? Otherwise, we can use the existing behavior, whatever the parent class is defined, right? So there are two ways we can hide, means using hide we can change the behavior, and if you go with means existing behavior, then we can override the parent class methods. Am I right?
Yeah,
okay.
you're right.
Let's find out this virtual keyword. Okay, so let's
Mhm.
assume what my requirement is. I
Mhm.
need to create a class where we define a one method. I just inherit this class, and I need to override this method once again in the second class. So I
Mhm.
can do it in a simple manner, like there is no dependency over the virtual keyword. Is it right?
Yeah,
Just
Yep.
create a
yeah.
one
Means
class.
if you're making it derived class, everything is also are coming into that
Available.
particular derived class. So no matter if you are writing a virtual or not in that
Right,
class.
right. Okay.
But if you want to change anything, you have to write, just because parents think, means you can take this example. If your parent is saying something, it's important to you to obey that thing only. What your parent is saying. Okay, if your child. But if your parent is saying that, okay, this is my statement, but you can change it. Virtual means you can change it. So whatever in your mind, you can change it according to that.
Uh,
This is a simple way.
just a
If,
just a
if,
simple example. Mm,
Mhm.
if you have means a class means everybody have means appraisal cycle right now, right, in our company, means a different company, right? So
It's
if
a
It's
you,
not true. It's not true with everybody.
that no means the time is means getting
Yeah.
appraisal or means
Yeah.
or switching the company,
Hey,
right?
I'm
Right
just
now.
joking.
Okay. So if you means in our application, means maybe a companies, just we are thinking, right, means company is a project, and they have a class where we define the bonus or appraisal, right? Appraisal for an entity means for an employee, right? So they have a different criteria, right? So they provide a default implementation of the bonus or means appraisal for one of the employees. So you can say the manager, or means you can say the means trainee or junior engineer, right? L1 means whatever, means S1 whatever. So they will, if we inherit this class, we can just override, or means we can provide an implementation according to our employee. Means every role they have some different responsibility. According to that, they can calculate their appraisal, right? So in that case, we can provide the new behavior, means according to position, you can say role designation, and we can just calculate the appraisal for that. If you defined a virtual class, if you means don't define, we can just override and provide a default behavior. What is the existing behavior means containing the class? Am I right?
Yeah, you are right. Is now you're able to understand what virtual?
Not really 100%. So let me
Okay.
explain what I understand. So what they are want to explain us. Like if we have one class, class A, so simple. Like if I need to either override one function or keep it as it is, we need to create a virtual keyword for the parent class in a parent class. Without it, I cannot override. Is it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Correct.
Means no, means you can
Hold
override it. Means it's a
hold on,
difference between both of them. So
hold
you
on.
can hold on. So you can override that class every time. And what is override means? You are getting that functionality in your class. So anytime you are writing anything or overriding any class, so parent class functionality is shadowing to that child class. But if you are writing virtual, they can write their implementation in that. Don't we get confused by override?
Hmm. So okay. So first we have to discuss about the override. So we can clear more thing in the override means if you want to, you have a single the name of this method is the same and the definition or the logical part is the different. It's called
Yes,
override,
override.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. So if we want to do implement this override, only I'm talking about the override. So what I did, I create a one class A. Here we define a one method without any keyword like public int add. I pass the two parameter over there and implement the functionality for that. Okay. Now I have another class. I inherited this A class to class B. Now what I am doing, I am just creating public and I write a method override add and pass the two parameter and here or three parameter for that. Here I calculate the AB plus C whatever we have and return that functionality. So this is the right way to implement override. Am I right? Here I'm not using anything like no virtual keyword or nothing.
If you are
Am I
not
right?
using, if you are not using virtual and all, then it is a simple method.
Simple method, but we are overriding in the child. Is it right? With the override keyword.
No, no, no. If you will define as a virtual, then you can override.
If you want to
Basically,
override anything, so you should define it as a virtual. Then you can override the class. Means whatever the method you want.
we can achieve overriding by using the virtual and override keyword.
Yep.
Override keyword, right.
Hmm. And
If
if
your
Okay.
parent class don't have virtual, you don't allow to override that.
No, no, without virtual, we can override the method na in the child class as well.
I think no.
No.
Yeah.
no,
Without
no,
virtual,
you can redefine the method, but you cannot override the method.
Right.
how you
Pankaj,
Hello,
can you
sir.
please
If we
tell
use
Pankaj?
abstract method, then
That
no
is
no no
another.
if,
That is another
hold
example.
on. Pankaj, can you see your screen? Or actually I am on mobile right now, so I'm not able to do in the same thing in the laptop. So can you just if you are on the laptop, can you share your screen?
Okay.
Pankaj, open your notepad.
Yeah, I'm going to do that. Yeah.
Okay, let's create a one class A. Remove this keyword virtual from okay. Class A, define a one method, public int add. That's it. Add लगा दो, add. Get की जगह you can say addition or subtraction, whatever you want.
Okay,
Addition.
no problem. We can put it 1, 2, 3.
And put the parameter 1, 2, 3, like two parameter, int A, int B. Okay, now create a class B. Same method, just copy and paste. With the override keyword.
Here.
And inherit the class A into class B.
Okay. Now here override.
Right, override.
I think it is not possible because if I will specify override here, then I need to provide the functional virtual keyword here, I think.
Yes, correct.
Correct, sir. Correct.
Yes, right.
Or if I talking about the overload, then
Overload is means we can just
Overloading is
provide a
perfect.
different argument. Means if first method you can
Basically,
provide one or two.
the same.
overloading,
Yeah.
overloading happens in a same class, but overriding happens in a different classes.
Right? Okay. So we cannot do like, can you remove this second method? So we cannot, we are clear with the overload. So can you, yeah. Okay. So is this not possible? Like I am creating one method and I'm just writing the override here. Is this not a right way without virtual?
Yes, you can do. You can do.
I cannot do.
You can't do.
Can
You can't do.
Pankaj, can you open the Visual Studio and just create one class?
Yeah, doing that.
If you have time. Otherwise, I need to, go at myself. No worry.
Yeah, please share your
You can
screen.
try, but it is not possible.
Okay.
Yeah, Ajay, can you try?
I am not on laptop.
No, Gautam, sorry,
I-
Gautam, would you like to try on your Visual Studio?
Actually, I'm in a mobile right now.
Okay,
So,
let me try.
Can you give me 5 to 10 minutes? I need to open my laptop.
Okay, take your time. Meanwhile, I am sharing. So my Visual Studio is visible to everyone.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm opening.
Yeah, we can.
What happened? Yeah. So we can define here a new class.
Pankaj, sir, screen is not visible now.
It is
Yes,
visible.
Pankaj.
Sorry,
Not
it's
now.
not visible.
Not
Yep.
visible.
Okay, let me share again. Let me try again. Let me know if it is visible.
Yes, visible now. Visible.
Okay.
Instead of 1, you can put A.
Yeah. So I'm doing the copy paste for rapid development. So next, I need to write here override.
Yes,
put
override.
A.
Okay. Now can you define the virtual?
Yeah.
Public virtual int, I guess.
Yes, first we define virtual and then int.
Okay. Maybe we have wrong here. Maybe.
Yes.
In base method, we are remove VR. No, correct.
Pankaj, wait, Pankaj. Before
Okay.
writing virtual, just hover the whatever the error we are getting in get method.
So here we have.
So overriding inheritance means I don't see.
Abstract, virtual,
It is. It.
or override. We have one
So-
keyword. Override.
Right.
No,
So
if
it
you will
means
provide,
directly.
if
Yeah.
you will provide
Directly
override
means-
here, then again you have to put somewhere as a virtual.
Right. Means the intelligence means itself means explanatory. We can use abstract or virtual keyword.
Virtual or override. Three
Yep.
things I guess.
No. Override means again, override means again their base should be virtual.
Yep. Means if you want to use virtual in means derived class or child class, so base class method should be means virtual abstract or means third one. What is Pankaj?
Abstract
Abstract.
here. Means as we know that abstract is also a pure virtual, right?
Yep.
Because when we define in the interface, all the method is abstract. So means it is pure abstract. So should we move next?
Yes, we can now. Move.
Or anyone have any doubt related to virtual override new keyword?
New Pankaj means if you want new behavior or new implementation, that time we are means using new, right? In child
Okay, let's have more discussion about this. Okay,
yes.
what is the spelling of virtual here?
We are
VIR.
VI.
Yes.
So now let's have Oli. The person who is not speaking, please go on mute. Whenever you want to say something, please unmute so that we can write here. Now, right. Now what will happen? Which method will get called and which method will not get called? Can someone explain me that which console dot write line will get called?
A get.
A get.
Okay. Let me run then.
You are creating object for A, na? That's why. If you are
Okay.
creating an object of B, then it get B get.
Okay. And what about now?
Now you get B get.
It will not come here.
No. Because you are creating an instance of this B.
Okay. Let's see. What happened? Okay, screen will maybe not visible to you. What is that?
No, I can see.
You can see screen?
Yes. Can you click F10 so we can and F11?
Right. And now what will happen?
You have to write in the console dot line. You have to write obj dot get. That's it.
Read line.
No, I'm not get this. So you get the B get, right?
Right.
थोड़े प्रोग्रामर लोग ने ग्रुप बनाया था.
Remove the hello word, Pankaj sir,
From where? Okay. From here. Okay.
in main method. Yes.
Yeah. Anyone can guide me if I'm doing something wrong here. Right? Okay. Now we are just now. What will happen now?
F11.
Now what will happen now?
B get.
This one?
You can put this one. You can put the breakpoint over there. We can check.
Now it is coming here, right? New means I'm going to hide this. Here we got A. So anyone have doubt on this? Hello?
No, sir.
Okay. Then let's have the same thing again. Override, then
Right.
build.
Okay. Just make the breakpoint on class B also.
Okay.
Yes.
Class B.
Okay. Okay. Let me put here. Thank you.
Same thing
And
like
A
that.
also, sir.
This is override actually. It will override,
Yes, yes.
right? So should I move again on new keyword?
Yes, Pankaj sir.
And the one humble request that whosoever like feel that background noise is coming, they can mute for some time. And even though if have to speak, he can unmute. Now what will happen? Now this will get called, right? Should we move?
Can you put a breakpoint over there
Okay.
in the class?
Yeah, we can put it here. Now it is okay, Gautam?
Yes, yes, yes.
Now A, and then I directly jump here. Then we print it. In case of new, it is not coming here, means it is hiding this one.
Yes, yes, it's hiding.
Okay, let's take another example. Okay, I have one more example. Let's do here. And because this is interviewer question actually, right? Now we will enjoy more, like, yeah. Now what I need to do, I can do here.
Everyone can pass answer this concept.
Right. Now what will happen?
Same thing.
A will print?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Oh,
yes,
no.
because both
Hold
ways
on,
we
hold
are.
on. B. Can you? Yeah, B.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you put down all the breakpoint in the A, B, and C console
Yeah,
write line?
already there.
I think
Pankaj,
A.
can you scroll down?
Yeah, please. Let me do one thing.
Only A.
Let me do
A,
one.
it will print A.
Okay,
It will print A GAT.
Maybe
But
now it is visible, Ajay sir.
Yes, yes, visible. It
Here
will
we
print
have
A.
this. What will happen now?
It will
A
print
will
A.
print.
Anyone think that this will print?
No.
No. We are hiding this.
Right. So let's debug this also. It is going directly to
A.
So it is printing A. Okay. Let's have another scenario. Now what will happen?
B.
A and B.
B.
B gate.
Yeah. Here it will come. Okay. Let's. Anyone have doubt that it will not print B? Anyone? Don't feel shy. Let's have question.
Yes.
And someone can ask that.
Pankaj, can you run it?
Yeah. Someone
Can
can
you-
also ask that why it will print B, right? If anyone have doubt.
Yeah, I have. Like we are creating a class object with the new C keyword, right? So what he did with, he checked the get method for class A. It's a virtual. Now in the C, we are just creating a new. So it means there is a nothing to override. So it goes on class A, not class B.
Okay, you think class
It
A.
should print
Okay,
A. Yeah, it should print A.
No,
It should
class B,
print-
because
I think
Class B.
this one. Maybe I'm wrong. I think this one B, because it is
Because
going
class-
to override class A.
Yes. No, we are. It should print A. Let's run it.
Okay.
Print B as it's overriding.
Put down the breakpoint in the B as well.
Yeah.
B and
I
C.
already there. Let me put
Oh,
two
okay.
breakpoint.
Yeah.
So it is going inside class B. Okay. Here
Because
also I
class-
have one minute. There is one silly mistake. Class C is not here. Let me run again. So it is class B. Okay. Now let's take another example. Now what will happen?
Same
B
thing.
again.
Okay. It will print B.
बना लो कौन लोग पापा का पूछ रहे हैं
Right, है ना? हाँ, yeah, B.
Just B. B.
Now what will happen? We can read this also.
E.
So should I continue? What will happen now? What will print? Or it will run time error, compile time, something. What will happen?
it's already showing error here.
It's a warning, I think.
Yes.
Yeah. So what is the exact error? No, it is success. This is that is a warning actually.
How? Can you just
It
save
is
it?
it is warning saying it should start with capital letter. That's all.
Okay, let me make it cap.
Yeah, it will go off. Right?
So I will change everywhere, right? Now what will happen? Again, same thing is doing. So that was a different. Okay. So that was the time two thing was there, two warning. Now what will happen? So there is no compile time error, right? Now, firstly it was not coming. Now it is coming.
No. Your main method you need to change get. In main method. G capital. Object dot get. In main method.
object dot get should be in caps
No, everywhere I have.
No, down in your program. In your
Main
program.
program.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Now it will work. Yeah. What will happen now? And we have to keep this in mind. New means it will not call this one. It will call this one. Override means it will call this one. So what will happen now?
Getting a.
Getting A. Okay.
A.
A. Okay. Anyone think apart from A? And just after 5 minutes, again Zoom will get expired. Should I run this then? Okay, let me run. So now it is printing A. right? So let's have another question. Now what will happen? It will again print A, because here it is saying don't print me, here it is saying don't print me, right? Anyone can hear me? Hello? Yeah, Dharmendra, Prasan. Hello?